Hey guys, it's Melly. Happy Saturday. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing slash haul for you guys featuring HOMEWORX candles from Ulta. So the unfortunate thing is that the release of HOMEWORX on Ulta was super popular. The candles sold out very quickly the first go around. There was a restock and apparently those candles sold out as well in record time. I was able to get a couple of orders in and I was able to get some of the candles. The good news is that some of these, in fact, most of them you can get at QVC. So even though I don't believe that Ulta will get a restock at this point from what I've heard, you can buy most of these through QVC. Obviously QVC is not my favorite, which is why I was so excited that HOMEWORX went to Ulta. I knew that this was coming for a little while, but didn't want to say anything because I wasn't sure that it was going to be like a for sure thing. But I'm really excited that this partnership between Harry and HOMEWORX worked out. I do want to address one thing before I get into the unboxing, actually a few things. There are some people who apparently were upset that HOMEWORX was now being sold at Ulta because they were upset about the candles not being exclusive to QVC anymore. And, you know, like at the beginning, Harry was like, you know, this is an exclusive partnership with QVC, but I always knew and imagined that Harry would want to expand beyond QVC because why would he not? If there's other avenues to sell these candles and make money, that's the smart business move. I mean, that is what I would do. Here's the benefits to purchasing through Ulta versus QVC. First off, it's not QVC. I hate QVC. I don't like that they don't combine shipping on multiple sets of candles. I don't like how long it takes them to get candles out. I don't like that they don't ship them during the summer. I don't really find their customer service super helpful most of the time. I don't know. I'm not a QVC person. I grew up watching QVC with my mom, like on the weekends as like a relaxing thing in high school, but I've never been like a diehard QVC person. Like the presenters and stuff, I have no connection with them. So QVC to me was just an avenue to get what I wanted, and I had to use it to get what I wanted. But now that I don't necessarily have to, probably not going to buy as much. So I'm really glad that this partnership formed. Here are some of the other benefits to HOMEWORX being sold at Ulta. First off, if you're lucky enough to have a store with near you that's going to carry the line, you can purchase them in store. Second, Ulta has like a flat rate shipping basically. So if you spend 50 bucks, shipping's free. So I don't know why you wouldn't want that. Or you can spend $5.99, or is it $5.90? I think it's $5.95 per set on QVC. But over 50 bucks is free. Sometimes they'll even go as low as $35. And I believe if you are like diamond status, you get shipping at like 25 bucks. You can mix and match whatever candles you want, which so many people have been asking for. And ironically, some of the people who have been like, I don't like this new partnership, you can pick whatever two candles you want. You can buy one for 25 bucks or two for 40 and pair whatever two you want, or pair whatever sets of 6 or 8 or whatever you want. And they're 40 bucks. That's amazing. Plus no shipping, so you're saving that shipping money there. Ulta has an amazing points system where you get points every time that you shop, and a lot of times you can earn multiple points if they're having like a special deal. You can get 2 times the points, or I mean, I oftentimes shop when it's like 5 or 10 times the points. Ulta is offered through Rakuten, so you get cash back. QVC is too, but QVC is always 1%. The lowest that I've ever seen Ulta is, I think, 4%, but sometimes it goes as high as like 8 or 15% when they're having specials. Again, that is more cash back in your pocket if you're not using Rakuten. you should be, because it's super easy, it doesn't cost you anything, and you get a check in the mail once a quarter. And Penny is on fire right now, just so you guys know. And Ulta, while their shipping department is a little tricky, which is why I'm unboxing these on camera here, they're always super helpful with their customer service. I have had multiple things arrive broken to me from Ulta. If you watch my beauty videos, you know that. But they're always super fast to either A, refund me, or B, send out a replacement immediately. It gets to me within a couple days. They never make me send anything back. They're just like, yeah, we're kind of aware that our shipping department sucks. End of story. And they send you a new item. So there's tons of benefits. Do not complain about this. This is a good thing. I mean, right now I have like 2 separate purchases that I could make at Ulta if I wanted to, where I could get $125 worth of stuff with each purchase for free. I have a ton of points, and if I wanted to, I could have gotten actually all these candles for free, but I'm a point hoarder, so I usually save those points for around the holiday time when I'm buying gifts or when I'm buying stuff to review on my channel. So anyway, let's get into it. First, they sent these bags separately, which kind of cracked me up. So there was a special where, and I'm just going to show you one of them. I got a black one and a blush one. These actually seem pretty nice. So with any like fragrance purchase, you get like a free backpack or weekender bag. And this is actually pretty decent. I mean, it's not like the greatest quality, but you know what? This is good enough for me to take on trips when I go to visit my mom. So this is the blush one, and then they also sent, those are the candles. Let's not look at those yet. They also sent the black one. It's more of like a, well, no, it is black. I thought it was charcoal, but so anyway, I got 2 of these because I made 2 separate purchases. I was like, one of those bags can be for Craig and one can be for me. And now let's see if any of these candles survive, because we all know Ulta. All right, first off, if any of these are intact, I'll kind of be amazed, because so they included the little air packs on the top. So there's like, we'll say 5 because that one's broken. So they did that. Woo, let's see. Okay. First off, just setting in the bag. Like this was sitting over top like this, not taped. Is anything chipped? No, it has the little Ulta thing here. Okay, well, let's smell it. Vanilla bean macaron. I'm really excited about this one. Oh God, that smells good. Oh, that's good. Okay. First thing I noticed is that this one does not have that extra like wick protector thing right here, which is interesting. I don't know why it wouldn't have that. Maybe Harry just decided to eliminate that, but oh man. Okay, I will have to order more of this through QVC if I can't get it in store at Ulta. A few of my Ultas in the area are supposed to be carrying the HOMEWORX. I don't know when they're showing up, but anyway, so the notes on this are vanilla bean, whipped vanilla, brown sugar, and amber. I wouldn't consider this a fall scent, but it's absolutely beautiful on cold sniff. It's very creamy, very warm. It is a gourmand vanilla with a tiny hint of amber in it. You can smell that brown sugar. It's really beautiful, you guys. So, all right, this one is also in one piece, it looks like. Also does not have that other lid. These are legit just sitting in here with, this is all, let's see here, 4 sheets of bubble wrap that were not even properly wrapped around the can. I am shocked these are in one piece. I'm thankful. All right, let's see here. No chips, no cracks. Oh, funny, no little plastic thing. It's not in here. Oh God, that's good. I just stuck that wick up my nose. This smells like spiced vanilla pumpkin from the Townhouse collection. which I loved. By the way, I definitely purchased those when they went on clearance for like 25 bucks, but they won't be here until middle of September because these are all in one piece. It's been pretty warm here. Nothing is melted. QVC, ship these during the summer months. Harry, ship these during the summer months. Like, there's no reason not to. They arrived just fine and it's been pretty toasty. Last one, no cracks. Does have the little plastic sheet. Again, this is another vanilla bean macaron. I knew I was gonna love this one, so here it is. All right, next box. What you doing, Panopolis? Ooh, okay, this one. All right, so this is, can you guys see that? This is how these were packed. Oh, I hope all of these are in one piece. I know some of these I cannot get again. They're sold out. Okay, there's a little ding on here, but it's not bad. Just looks like a little, when there's tape on here. Let's see if this one also, oh, this one does have the little protector on it. I wonder if people were just smelling these like as they were packing them up and took the plastic sheet off of that one. Oh, come on, be in one piece. Oh, mother. Ah, here we go. Here we go. I don't know if that's gonna be okay to burn. Because I think the crack goes in, yeah, the crack goes into the glass. Fudge. Ah. Harry, you gotta fix this. It's another spiced vanilla pumpkin. I better call them and see if they can send out a replacement before it like completely sells out. Arg! Okay, so far it's actually not that bad, so. This one is partially taped on the bottom. What, like, how did they decide what gets taped down and what doesn't? And it's gonna take the label off, it's fine. This one has some weird schmutz on it. Some kind of black goo on the bottom. Ooh. This one smells different. No, it doesn't. No, it's fine, sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. Another vanilla bean macaron. Can you guys, I knew what I was gonna like. Oh, please let this one, no. Oh, no. Shatter, and ironically, it's one of the ones that was actually, oh, this is completely effed, you guys. Oh, it is like shattered. Oh my gosh, okay. Can you guys see? It is like through and through shattered. I want to smell it though. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Ooh, ooh, that's very lemony. Obviously this is the lemon poppy seed. On cold sniff, it is more lemon than bakery, like, note, but it's good. It's a good lemon. It's not a cleaner lemon. It's, Penny, can you get off? Ow, Penny, come on. I cannot believe how shattered this is. Can you guys see that? All right, well, Ulta's getting a phone call because, balls. I can't save this. I mean, there's no way I can burn this. Well, so out of the 8, 2, right? 2 were damaged. Where's the other damaged one? So I guess it's not terrible given how they were packaged in here, but oh man. Ulta, you cannot send stuff out like this. That's crazy. Anyway, well, I mean, you have been warned. That is the one thing about Ulta that you have to be careful about, but I'm hoping that Harry has addressed this shipping issue with them. Most certainly, this is a little bit of a disaster, but I'm glad the ones that I really was excited about are okay, but I'm a little bit bummed about that lemon poppy seed because I don't think I'm going to be able to burn that. I know I'm not going to be able to burn that. And I don't think I can burn this one because the crack goes into where the wax is. So, bummer. Okay, well, it's the hazard of getting anything through Ulta. So you guys were warned. I am going to need to take this outside and get rid of it because there is glass everywhere. I'll keep my little shipping labels here. Man, what is Ulta doing? All right, guys, that is all that I have for you today. I have to get back to work. I have 2 weddings today when you guys are actually watching this, so I've got a lot of work to do. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm glad that Harry is at Ulta. I hope they get the shipping figured out, and for me, I'm gonna keep buying through Ulta because even if they arrive broken, I know that Ulta will either send me a replacement without question or they will refund me. It's worth a chance. Plus, I have a few stores near me that are going to be selling them in stores, so I'll just go and buy them in store if I can. So, all right, there you guys go. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.